The Ernest Beutler Lecture and Prize is another one of ASH's most prestigious honors, recognizing exceptional contributions to both clinical and translational hematology. This year, ASH recognized both Dr. Ruben Mesa and Dr. Radek Skoda. Dr. Skoda is being honored for his role in discovering a frequently occurring mutation in the JAK2 gene and providing mechanistic insights into the development of MPNs. Dr. Mesa is being honored for his essential work in clinical trials of JAK3 inhibitors.
Extremely honored, especially because Dr. Beutler was a physician scientist who combined human genetics and molecular studies to elucidate the causes of hematologic disease in humans. So for me, it's a great role model and inspirational figure. So this prize is particularly precious for me.
As a clinical investigator who's worked with many others trying to bring medicines to the clinic for individuals who are suffering from the diseases, it's deeply rewarding because it helps to just acknowledge all of that teamwork that went on to make this happen, but also the impact for patients that benefit from these therapies.